This dude is extra tall.
You love it.
I do love it. So let me correct AJ real quick.
Please do.
Everyone corrects me.
Yes,
Constantly.
AJ,
I'm over it.
You said you guys can ask him whatever you want.
Yeah,
You can have it.
True.
Except, I'm not asking for hugs or kisses. Let's get to know the guy. You know what I'm saying? Get a little nitty gritty out of him. You see Brian here? He looks like he wants you guys to get to know him. Alright, right
You does. Wait, hold on. You do sound like one of those animal zoo people. Like, you're introducing
Because it's like freaking SeaWorld up here.
It does. The way you said that.
Look, I'm a fish. Throw a fish.
This ain't no good, Brian. Shamu here. Let's get to know Shamu. You're a killer whale. We're like a whale impression. Sounds like you're doing a llama.
He's gonna go underneath, ladies and gentlemen. Here he comes. He hits the ball.
Around the ball.
Losing it.
All right. We have no ball.
Right here.
Where's the person who's asking the question?
I'm down here.
Oh.
Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you. My name's Laura. My question for you is, I've noticed that during the tour, you guys don't have any songs from your latest 2 albums. Was that a conscious decision?
I told them we should. They said no. I said we should have. We did have Bye Bye Love House. So we just have Bye Bye Love and Inconsolable, and it got made out. It was all Nick's fault.
Nick!
Yo, you wanna know what Nick did? You wanna know what Nick did? Nick made sure Get Down was in the show. Nick made sure that If You Stay was in the show. Nick made sure that I fought tooth and nail, for no. Okay, you have to talk to Get Down.
Get Down was yours and all we conspired.
But he wanted to go on loop now as well, but that got it. Yeah. That was excellent.
That was your fault.
That was a
I
child's
know,
fault.
he's like, I can't look at you.
And then 10,000 Promises was all and how he didn't want it to happen. Howard came to me in the very beginning of the show, and he's like,
I went to bat for Nick on the 10,000 Promises.
Thank you. Thank you.
He went and did his solo thing, and he said,
no, it was right.
and I was like, listen.
It was actually AJ.
Remember, it was me.
No, the AJ was the one that's like, he came after the
All
first
of
show.
them were like,
We don't know if the audience is liking it so much. What do you think, Jay?
As you can tell, we're still trying to figure out the show list. We have 6 shows left, but we're going to get it right.
Eventually.
We're going to get it right by London,
Tonight.
Ontario.
Tonight.
I guess it's hard when you have a lot of great songs. Yeah, it's a good problem to have. Too many roller coasters, you got your brain up
Good.
there.
Alright guys, there's a question for Nick. Let's see.
We should start doing from now on. Justin, can I just say something? I know this is like one of those days. We just should generalize the question and let us all answer together.
Yeah.
So, like,
So the next question's for whoever wants to answer it.
because we like to ramble on and talk over each other.
Lord knows we do.
He and I.
Anybody have more of that? Anybody have
We'll
more?
work on that. Alright, what's your
So
name?
these 4 questions.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Ashley.
Hi, Ashley.
And like I told you before, this is my 40th BSB concert.
You rock.
My first one was back in 1998, August 7th in Las Vegas. It was me too. I was there. So many books from there on. I was forget it.
Was that the original Backstreet Boys tour? Or
Yes,
was
it
that
was. No.
Cheers.
Yeah, that's the way I like it. And just to be close.
And we have the coffins then, right?
We have the
We have the big coffins.
Yeah.
So is that your question?
Okay, sorry. My question is, what's the best question that anyone's ever asked you guys?
There was one like a couple of weeks
I was
ago.
just saying, what was that one?
I know, it was
It was a
good.
really good one. And it was for you, wasn't it?
Do you remember?
Probably.
Brian, do you remember?
I remember a girl asked, she asked, what was your favorite song off of every album that you did? It was pretty cool. We couldn't think of all the songs. Of course, we couldn't remember either. But that was a good question. I remember the question. Don't remember the answer.
Okay, so this was the question.
That was the question.
It was great. It was really good.
It was disturbing, but
I just didn't. What did you say? If there was only 4 of us.
it was only us 4 on an island, and we had to like
Procreate.
And I said it wasn't possible, please.
It's just 4 dudes.
No. If you could have a piece of each of us, that's what it was.
No, but the procreation one was
Yeah.
different.
We don't have life. If we were to create someone from one piece of each of us, what piece would they take? What do you say?
I think I said I'd take your vocal cords or something.
My voice, his hair. You said my calf. His calf.
Yeah, one of those.
So he or she can run fast, has good hair, a good voice.
I said I didn't want his ass though.
I thought you said you wanted my look.
What gets your ass?
Your look?
Yeah, you said you wanted how this look.
Yeah, no, you can't get my butt because there's no butt to have.
Am I?
Like this. Like this.
Every 5 seconds, punch in his back. I'm getting yelled at to stand up straight, but Thank God I have a voice, because my looks just We did the photos first. How about you?